Okay, normally they have live music here on the left side also, but seems like they are in a break. And well, in case you would like to go to the Alamo in the following days and you're in the River Loop, one of the best way to go is through the lobby of that hotel that we just passed by on the left side. That is the Hyatt Regency Hotel. And in the lobby, you're going to find a passage that is going to take you straight to the Alamo Plaza. It's called the Shops of Paseo del Alamo. And inside, you're going to find beautiful waterways that are important because they represent the aqueducts that were built by the Spaniards in the 1700s. Also, look here on the right side of the boat. We have the Casino Club building. But don't get excited. It's not a casino. Just the name, yeah. The Casino Club building used to be a gathering place for the German community when they opened it in 1927. Nowadays, you're going to find a restaurant, but also apartments. Question: how much do you believe that would cost the rent of one apartment in this building?
Did we come back
One
to
bed,
there?
one bath, only rent. With your fingers, you can tell me so I can see.
Same place, I think.
4, 10,000, 3,000, 2,000. Yeah. Well, yeah, you're telling me the average in the river walk, you're going to find all those prices,
Yeah,
that's
it's
right.
very crowded.
But would you believe me if I tell you that in that building the rent is between $700 to $800? That's it. Yeah, that's it. I was thinking to move, seriously, right? It's very cheap. The problem is that you have to wait approximately 15 years to get the apartment. Yeah, of course, it's a long wait list. Look at people who are living already there, right? They come downstairs and they have everything here. You're going to find here many restaurants with Mexican food, Tex-Mex, Mexican grill, Mexican food, Chinese Mexican food, Japanese Mexican food. Did I mention already the Mexican food? No, I'm just joking. Now you're going to find here seafood, steak, barbecue, Tex-Mex, and all of it. Many options here. But this river walk wasn't like this always. In 1941, Robert Hackman had to set up his own office here on the right side, where you can see this round wall, in order to prove people that it was safe to be here. People didn't want to come to the river walk at the beginning because they were very scared about the floods that the city had in the past. Of course, after that one in 1921, who wouldn't, right? Robert Hackman had to wait approximately
Here, lot of Western is there.
in order to see finally the first business open. This one on the right side is Casa Rio. Casa Rio was the first restaurant in the Riverwalk, 1946, and the only one that we had for a long time. Would you believe if I tell you that most of business started opening here in 1968 or after that?
It is written
For over 20 years, we got nothing in the Riverwalk but 2 or 3 businesses. And for example, you're going to see in front of the boat, we have Hilton Palacio del Rio. That building is in front of the place where we started with the tour. But that building is from 1968. The question is, why people decided to come to the Riverwalk after several years, right? Well, happened that in that year, San Antonio hosted a very important event. Have you ever heard about the World's Fair or the World Expo? Yeah? We had it here in San Antonio. Over 6 million people were coming to be part of this event. But back then the city of San Antonio was very small and there were not enough hotels for 6 million people. A lot of echo here. Okay. So, since the city was small and they needed more hotels, the H.B. Zachary Company decided to take the challenge to build Hilton Palacio del Rio. It was a challenge because they had less than 1 year to build that almost 500 rooms hotel. And the owner of the company promised that if they didn't finish on time with it, he was going to sell it for $2 to the city. So what do you think? Did he make it on time or he sold it for $2? He made it, of course. Yeah, you wouldn't sell something like that for $2. Would you believe if I tell you Hilton was built in only 7.5 months? Yeah, 202 working days. How was that even possible? I'm gonna tell you how. They will start building the four first floors and the center of the building on that location, but at the same time, they were building the rooms 6 miles away. And after those rooms had plumbing, electricity, carpet, furniture, lamps, CDs, even Bibles, everything on them, with a huge crane, they start lifting room by room, putting one on top of the other one, like playing Legos. Yeah, Zachary was playing Legos with that, and that's why he was able to finish even 1 month ahead of time. But the craziest part is that Zachary and his wife were in the first room that was lifted. They were on the balcony waving everybody outside while the crane took them to the top of the fifth floor. Isn't it crazy? So that's Hilton, and nowadays you're going to find that name in the Guinness Book of Records. And well, also for Hemisphere 68, that was the name of the World's Fair, was built Tower of the Americas. Have you been in Tower of the Americas by any chance? No one? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you in a little bit that building. The Tower of the Americas is a space needle that looks like a big cupcake on top of a giant churro. Yeah, I'm hungry already. And that used to be the tallest observatory tower in the nation for 27 years. So you're going to see it on the right side of the boat, on the right side of the sky. There you can see Tower of the Americas. So I recommend you to go, just do not try to take the stairs. Yeah, I don't recommend you that. That building is 750 feet tall, over 900 steps. And the record, one person that went to the top in 5 minutes and 18 seconds taking the stairs. 5 minutes and 18 seconds. I don't know how is that even possible, right? But that's the record since 1981. And then here on the right side of the boat also we have that beautiful statue that is called the Stargazer. The Stargazer is open to interpretation. You can say whatever you want about it, right? But I like to say that it represents an indigenous people holding the lone star because it's kind of meaningful for San Antonio and Texas. But that beautiful statue that was made by Pedro Reyes was unveiled only 9 months ago. So it's one of the newest pieces of art in this beautiful river walk. And well, here on the right side, you're going to find the third location where you're going to start with these tours. The same company as well. I have to go very slow through this area because these boats are flat at the bottom. We can easily move them, and I don't want to cause an accident here. Slow, slow. Okay, and now we are entering into the most dangerous part of the river walk, okay? So, higher wallets. We're going to see the mall. Yeah, the mall. Just joking. We're going to get really tight, so remember to keep everything inside the boat. Okay.
Take my photo.
Kids, I believe I saw a lot of kids, right? Kids, look who is going to be in the center of the river. Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus are there. Yeah. Enjoy the light Christmas. Also, Mr. Grinch. He's right there.
I hope Santa got my letter.
There you go. So you know where to come later, right? Hi, Mr. Grinch. There you go. So this beautiful mall is called the Shops of the River Center. You're going to find over 100 retailers here. I really don't see too many fun things to do. I recommend you to come overall if you love Legos or if you would like to have the largest margarita in the river walk. Yeah, it's here. Also, So this mall has a connection with the Marriott Hotel. That is actually behind the left side of the mall. And the reason why I mentioned the Marriott is because they built all this mall without a hotel as well. But before the hotel was there, there used to be another building with another hotel, Fairmont. Happened that Fairmont was from 1906, which means that that was an historical building. Marriott realized that they couldn't tear the building down, and for that reason they had a great idea. With the help of the city, they decided to relocate the old building 6 blocks away. And I've seen a lot of people moving, but can you imagine to move a 1600 tons building 6 blocks away? That's crazy, huh? Yeah. So nowadays Fairmont is in the